Stop selling, start winning. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. I want to share a powerful concept with you that can revolutionize your approach to business and propel you towards success. It's time to stop selling and start winning. Traditional salespeople making cold calls and pushing products. In the traditional sales model, the focus has always been on selling. It's about convincing someone to buy what you are offering, using persuasive tactics and high-pressure techniques. But let me tell you, there's a better way. Winning is about creating value, building relationships, and delivering exceptional experiences. It's not just about closing a deal. It's about creating long-term partnerships that benefit both parties. So, how do we shift from selling to winning? Here are a few essential strategies. Understand your customers. Take the time to truly understand your customers' needs, challenges, and desires. Empathy and active listening will help you tailor your approach to provide real solutions. Focus on value creation. Instead of pushing your products or services, concentrate on the value you can deliver. How can you make your customers' lives better or solve their problems? When you provide value, the sales will naturally follow. Build relationships. Winning is all about building strong, genuine relationships. Connect with your customers on a personal level, establish trust, and become a reliable partner. People buy from those they trust and like. Be a problem solver. Position yourself as a problem solver rather than a salesperson. Understand the pain points of your customers and offer customized solutions. Become their go-to resource for advice and support. Deliver exceptional experiences. Aim to exceed your customers' expectations at every touch point. Provide exceptional customer service, go the extra mile, and create memorable experiences. Your customers will become your biggest advocates. So, my friends, it's time to shift our mindset and approach. Let's stop selling and start winning. Embrace value creation, build relationships, and deliver exceptional experiences. By doing so, we can achieve extraordinary success together. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support the channel and content creation.